Flight 128, request clearance for this incoming phone call. 128, this is Tower. Maintain visual separation prior to voicemail. Roger that, Tower. 128, this is Tower. Runway 17L is cleared for your phone call. Okay. 128, cancel that Gus at 37. We will reroute you to voicemail. Roger that, Tower. This call is going to voicemail.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the neighborhood. Oh, don't you know when you say hello, you make the world feel oh so good.
How does RingtoneFeeder work? Well, go to ringtonefeeder.com, follow the instructions, and then you're transferred to PayPal to complete the transaction. You get a username and password, you click on the link, and iTunes opens up, and ringtones come automatically.
And now in the latest iTunes,
It's even easier than before. Just connect your iPhone to your computer, click the iPhone device, and then the ringtone tab. Just select sync, and the ringtones will arrive on your iPhone. For more details or even try a free demo, visit www.ringtonefeeder.com. And now you can find our ringtones directly on your iPhone. Just search for RingtoneFeeder on the iPhone iTunes app.